In this vlog, I'm going to be showing you how to convert some nice carbon fibre fabric into a super light and super strong replacement roof. Stay tuned. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So in this vlog, it's another carbon fibre one, but one of a big panel this time, and you'll have to listen to me talking. So what we got on? We've got an Escort Mark III, Mark IV roof mould ready to go. It's already been released. So the steps I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to put some masking tape just around the perimeter, so that when I mix a gel coat up and spray it on, it's not going to go onto that area, because I want that to be nice and clean for the vacuum gum tape to get a good seal. So the process first is to get a spray gun and to give it a light dusting over there, just to get like a mist over it. What that'll do is, when that flashes off a little bit, gets a bit tacky, it allows me to then spray a thick layer on and not have the gel coat separate, which if you've ever sprayed gel coat before, sometimes you've got a very a good release agent on the mould, it can cause the gel coat to fisheye and separate, and you'll have voids and gaps in the coating. This will stop that. I've had a lot of people ask me questions like, how do you do the gel coat? So that's how I do it. 2 steps. First is a very, very light misting. It's literally next to nothing on the surface. And then leave it for a couple of minutes till it flashes off a little bit. Then you go on with a big, thick coat. So that's the job. Let's get on with it. Okay, I just thought I'd quickly show you what I was on about that light dusting. I don't know if you can see that, but it's next to nothing on there now. But yeah, this is just how I spray gel coat. So let that go off for a little bit, a couple of minutes, just to make it go from like a really wet state to more of a tacky state. Because it's only a small dusting, it'll flash off very quick. Then once that's flashed off, straight on there with a big thick coating to give us that lovely gloss finish. So let's keep going. Okay, so that's the gel coat all cured now. You can see it's got a lovely smooth finish to it. Makes a massive difference doing that first coating first with the dusting, and then getting it nice and smooth with a decent thick layer afterwards. So next job is to start cutting up some fabric, start laying it down, building up the stack and adding the core material, then the vacuum bag, and then we should be ready for an infusion. So let's carry on. Right, so back to it now. I've finished trimming it up and polishing it. I didn't video that because you've seen me do that a million times, but let's see what we've ended up with. And there you have it. It's weighed in at 4.1 kilograms. And I think, I hope you agree with me, I'm really happy with the finish on this one again. I wouldn't want to go any lighter than 4.1. I mean, this is still solid, but it is just ridiculously light. You can pick it up with 2 fingers. It's yeah, it's sound. But no, it's, the customer's coming to pick it up this weekend, so all being well, he'll be happy. And yeah, I guess I'll be on to the next job. So thanks for watching. Usual jazz. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.